Solitaire Cash charges a withdrawal processing fee, while Pool Payday uses skills, where cash entry fees are shown in the billing screen, and a check withdrawal under $10 can carry a fee of up to $2. So neither app is completely fee-free, but the type of fee is very different. By the end, you'll know where fees can appear on both apps, and which one is easier to understand before you put your money in. Start with Solitaire Cash. When you request a withdrawal, Solitaire Cash explicitly says a withdrawal processing fee will be deducted from the amount you receive. The company doesn't publish one universal fee amount on its withdrawal help page, so you shouldn't assume that every withdrawal costs the same. A Solitaire Cash tone. There's another detail that affects your balance. Solitaire Cash says any bonus cash remaining in your account is forfeited when you request a withdrawal. That means the amount shown as your overall balance isn't necessarily the amount you can actually cash out. A Solitaire Cash tonne. So before submitting a withdrawal, open the withdraw section and check the exact processing fee and withdrawable amount displayed for your account. Now compare that with Pool Payday. Pool Payday is powered by skills for its real money competitions. The game lets you enter cash matches, leagues, and tournaments, with winnings withdrawable through skills using supported payment methods such as PayPal, Capstone, Curvent. Skills' current terms say competition fees are detailed in the billing application and are prepaid. That means the cost of entering a cash competition depends on the specific competition you choose rather than one universal Pool Payday fee. There is also a specific withdrawal fee worth knowing. Skills says a check processing fee of up to $2 may be assessed when you withdraw less than $10. Skills also says requested withdrawals can take up to 90 days under its terms. So which has lower fees? If you're comparing a withdrawal fee specifically, Pool Payday has a clearly published maximum for one withdrawal scenario, while Solitaire Cash confirms a processing fee but doesn't publish a single standard amount on its help page. If you're comparing the overall cost of playing, Pool Payday can require paid entry fees for cash competitions. Solitaire Cash also uses paid tournament entries, so you need to check the entry amount before joining each tournament. The practical answer is that neither app should be called zero fee. Before depositing or withdrawing, check two numbers: the tournament entry fee and the final amount you'll receive after any withdrawal fee. If keeping costs predictable matters most, don't rely on an old review. Check the current in-app billing and withdrawal screens first. Like the video and subscribe for more real money app comparisons.